friends. I am Himanshu Tripathi, Incubation Center Head at High-Tech Incubation Center, which is being supported by High-Tech Institute of Engineering and Technology, Ghaziabad. I welcome you all in our three webinar series on human aspirations, that is continuous happiness and prosperity. Today we are going to conduct our third session of this webinar series, and our third session is on family and relationships. This session is being taken up by Dr. Priyanka Gautam. He is Head of Department of MBA, and also she is Coordinator at Value Education Cell at GNIOT Greater Noida. Priyanka ma'am, I welcome you, and now you can please start your session.
Good evening, all of you. Firstly, I would like to give thanks to Incubation Center of High Tech Engineering Institute, Ghaziabad, for this opportunity. The topic of this workshop is human aspiration. If we people talk about the human aspiration, we all just see and we all are explore that the basic human aspiration is continuous happiness. And the basic aspiration is continuous happiness, how we maintain the continuous happiness in our life. For this thing, we just find out that we just maintain the harmony at different level. At different level means in that the different four levels. First, we just maintain the harmony at individual. That means we just maintain the harmony with self. Then we just maintain the harmony with the family. We just maintain the harmony with society, with nature and existence. The today session is harmony in the family. If we people talk about the family, we all have family, and we also find out that without the family we can't live happy and we can't survive in our life. If we people talk about the family and relationship, if in the previous session we just explained the trust and respect, and if we people are talk about the relationship means relationship between oneself and other self, means we all are explore that we all are human being, and we all are human being, and we just maintain the relationship between the I and I, means human to human relationship. If we people find out that the relationship in our life, it's mandatory and is required for harmony and for the happy life. If we people are talk about the there is a relationship, the for relationship basic need is feelings. We just identify, we just explain 9 feelings in this PPT. Their fulfillment evaluation lead to the mutual happiness. What is the actual meaning of the mutual happiness? We just talk about, we have the discuss related with the happiness, and what is the real meaning of the mutual happiness? Mutual happiness means I just find out that I am the human being and other person is also human being, and we just maintain a harmonious relationship. If we maintain the harmonious relationship in between human to human, means I to I, that means we feel mutually happy. In the present scenario and the present context, we find out that I am satisfied and I am happy in my life, but other people are not happy with me, and rather than I am other people are satisfied, other people feel happy, but I am not satisfied. So what is the actual problem in this time, in this scenario, in this system? The problem is that we just focus on the happiness, but the major concern for the happiness is mutual happiness, means we both are satisfied with same time, same manner. If we people are satisfied, if we people are happy, this is related with the mutual happiness. Now, if we people talk about the relationship in the feeling, for the relationship is basic requirement is feeling. Without the feeling, we cannot continue the relationship. First, most of the, we have already discussed the trust and respect in the relationship. First, I just explain one thing, most important part is, it's this whole session is a proposal and you must be explore these things in yourself. It's a dialogue process in between I and self. Means what I am explaining, what I am saying, you just ask this question with yourself. Ki, is it in my life? Is it in my family? Is it happen in my society? And if I feel that, if I think that the all things are satisfactory, the all things are harmoniously, I feel that and I can say that ki, I am happy in my life. Now, we have already discussed the trust and respect as Mukul sir taken the session. And today I am just going to explain next value. It's related with the affection. Affection, it's a very common word. And we people are very usually use this word. Ki, I am very affectionated this person. I am very affectionated with my father, with my friend, with my daughter, with my teacher. But first, we just know the real meaning of affection. Affection is the feeling of being. If we people are talk about the affection, affection is the real meaning. Affection is the feeling of being related with when we see the other has a natural acceptance. Natural acceptance. What is the actual meaning of the natural acceptance? Means there is no contradiction in between me and others. These things, the all things are naturally acceptable. So in the affection is the feeling of being related when we see that other has natural acceptance to make me happy and prosperous, regardless of my competency. Means in the previous session, we just discussed the competency and intention. We must have a intention and we must have a confidence and we must have the natural acceptance. The other people make me happy and make me prosperous. If we people think that, we can say that we people have some competency. Be assured of the others with this feeling of assurance. Assurance when I am able to slightly evaluate our competency. I am able to define my complementarity with the others. Means मैं अपने दूसरों को संबंधी के रूप में स्वीकारने का भाव रखती हूँ. इसको मैं निर्विरोध रखती हूँ. That means there is no contradiction in between me and others. The all things are naturally acceptable. If we people are think about that, affection is the feeling of acceptance of others as one relative. Means the all society, the all family, the all entire existence, which related as a relative of myself. Then, for example, parents generally have a feeling of affection for their children. This feeling can also be seen between the friends, siblings, teachers, students, husband, wife, and other relationships. It is very naturally acceptable feeling and hence desire in every relationship. The feeling of affection is essentially for fulfillment of any relationship, particularly for children. We just find out that we people are very commonly and we people are very affectionated with our children. It is necessity for their development. The children full secure in the real in the early stage of development when it enjoy the acceptance of the others as one relatives. Others are like me. अगर हम देखते हैं, one naturally feel related to the others when one has the fulfilling trust and respect in oneself for others. One most important part is that if we people are the affectionated, the two most important feelings and two most important value, yeah, two most important things are come automatically: responsibility and commitment. For mutual fulfillment, absence of affection. If we people are affectionated with, suppose I am affectionated with my father, so I am responsible for my father, and I am committed for mutual fulfillment. Then, if we find out that the absence of affection, we just find that opposition and jealousy in my life. It's a most important part. If the absence of affection, opposition, and jealousy in my life, when we have the feeling of affection, then the responsibility and commitment comes naturally. So you must be explore yourself. You must be find yourself. You people have some responsibility or commitment. If you have some responsibility and commitment, that means you are the affectionated with the family and with this relationship. If I am not affectionated, that means there is two most important, yeah, two negative things is automatically come in my mind, come in myself as opposition and jealousy. That means if I find out, we all are human beings and we just explore time to time. It's a process, and we just find out if I am in the situation of opposition and situation of jealousy, that means I am not affectionated. If I have the responsibility and commitment, that means I am affectionated with these things. So first, as I have already told you, you just explore these things. It's a only or only proposal. It's a totally process of exploration. So with my session, you must be explore. If you feel, if you find out that I am affectionated with my daughter, so you just find that, and you just definitely feel that you people are the responsible and you people are the committed for your daughter. Second most important feeling is care. If we people are talk about the care, what is care? Care is a responsibility towards the body of my relative. Most important part is that not is that body of my relative, it's the body of my also body. Then its most important part is he, the responsibility and commitment for nurturing, the responsibility and commitment of for nurturing and protection of the body of my relative. The fulfilling the care also make a difference during the production, protection, and the right utilization of physical facilities. It's a most important feeling. If we people talk about the care, we must have the feeling of care, make a difference between the during of production, protection, and the right utilization of physical facility. As we have discussed in the first session, the right understanding. Right understanding is related with the physical facility and relationship. If we maintain a balance in the physical facility and the relationship, that definitely we can explain that the somebody and the person is caring for me, and we people are caring for others also. These actions are done with the happiness as a part of our responsibility. When we have the feeling of care, otherwise they are treated as the drudgery. When the mother is cooking food with a feeling of care, the work is joyous. Whenever we are in hostel employee is cooking the food, perhaps if with the focus of pay check and other things are there. So they maybe just find out that there is work may not be joyous. The person is human being. One is mother and second one is hostel cook. But the feeling and the intention and the feeling are totally different. If the mother cooking food, we feel it's a work is joyous, and if the cook is cooking food, that means it's not, it may be not that joyous. Next most important thing is that responsibility and commitment for nurturing and protecting the body of my relative. संबंधी के शरीर के पोषण संरक्षण की स्वीकृति का भाव. If I am committed for nurturing and protecting the body of my relative, that means I have the feeling of care. Next most important part is guidance. What is the actual thing is guidance? We always facing the problem is if there are so many people have complained in the life, I don't have a particular person who just give me the proper guidance in my life. And if suppose I have, suppose if someone gave the guidance in my life, I definitely successful also and blah blah. So many things are done. So first we must know the what is the actual meaning of guidance. Guidance is the feeling of responsibility and commitment for ensuring the right understanding and right feeling in the self of my relative. In the family, we do try to guide the children to do best of our ability. We can observe how parents guide to children to walk, speak, to take care of the body, to do household, etc. Similarly, as the child grow and dominate, and the guidance also same, that sending the students, sending the child to the education, providing the advices for the betterment of his life, and counseling for the successful life, etc. There are so many things and so many faces and so many ways of the guidance. Can we see the most? Can we see in the most of homes, guidance is needed for every human being, not just for the children in the family. Time to time, we must share and we must know and we must need it guidance. The most important thing is that are you again you just explore these things. Okay, are you ensuring both care as well as guidance, or mostly focus on the care? While taking care of the guidance, you are also concerned about the self. Then most important part and most important value is the reverence. What is the reverence? Is the feeling of acceptance for excellence. श्रेष्ठता की स्वीकृति का भाव means this call for understanding the harmony and living in the harmony at all levels of our beings. One, we achieve the with excellence with others and with things. It continues. Excellence is something definite, something absolute. If someone has achieved this stage of excellence, we naturally have an acceptance once as such as a person. For excellence, we must understanding harmony and living in the harmony. If we people have some feeling of reverence for someone, so we must find out that we must explore that the other person have maintained the harmony or not. Harmony at different four levels. Harmony in the level of self, family, society, nature, and existence. If we people are think about the excellence and competition are not similar. But in the present scenario, the students think that the meaning of excellence is related with the competition. In the excellence, we just helps to bring the others to his level. In competition, he hindered the others from reaching his level. Now you just ask this question, you people are maintain the excellency in your life or competition in your life, because they both are totally different. Sometime now in the present scenario, there are lots of examples. We just see that in the society, in the society I just in the student, we just see they have the feeling of competition, but they feel that I am the excellence. But there is totally meaning a different. Excellence and competition are not similar. Excellence means you just help bring to uplift someone to his level, and competition is just hinder the others from reaching his level. Means was one most important thing is that the pupil is using the a word worship, but there is something is totally different. Efforts, what is the worship? Effort made to achieve excellence, श्रेष्ठता के लिए किया गया प्रयास. It may be, it may be this achievement and this effort, it may be related with your parents, related with your teachers, related with your other peoples. It may be different things. Now we just some differences between the work for excellency and competing to the special. The other is like me, we are complementary. Means दूसरे को अपने जैसा ही मानना और उसको जैसा ही मान के उसके साथ में व्यवहार करना. It's called as excellency. But in the competing, not others, only me. I am different from than others. Help the other to come to his level. The most important thing is that now in the present scenario, it's a very tough time. It's a time of competition, and our students and our children are facing the problem of the competition. So they just find and they just prove as I am the different from others. Rather, the real meaning of the excellency is other is like me and we are complementary. If, and the most important part is that if I feel that the other is also like me, like Fortas employee, like my colleague, like my director, like my family members, the all are equal, the all are complementary for me. So definitely I just find the excellency in my life. But if I feel the competing someone, definitely means I am not maintaining the harmony in my life. Operates on the basis of his natural acceptance, means swatantrata, self-driven by the clarity of human purpose, means the basic requirement of the relationship, the basic requirement of the excellency, trust and respect in the relationship. Because the trust is the foundational value. If if I say that I am in the relationship with that person, but if I found that there is no feeling of trust, and in the absence of the feeling of trust, means I have some contradiction in between the relationship. In means for the relationship, you must have the trust and you must have the respect. In the previous session, sir has explained very wellly the meaning of the respect means right evaluation. Right evaluation, first you evaluate yourself. Then again, next, then you just evaluate the other people. But we find out that we just evaluate the other person, we just not focus on ourselves. Means operate, if we people are related with explaining the competing, it's related with the operates on the basis of the preconditioning that changes, divine the others on the basis of reward, fear of punishment. Conditional relationship, over evaluation of self, under evaluation of others. Actually, if we people have some problem in the society, we just evaluate the other people on the basis of their dressing sense or her behavior and her position, her degree, but it's all related with the competence. It's an absolute definite completion points, and it's related with the no definite completion point. If we are faced, and if I find that I am the facing and I feel the excellency in my life, definitely it's a completion point. If I feel competing, that means no definite completion point in my life. Now we just feel that, we just clear that meaning of the excellency and the special. Now everybody want specialty. There is so many things are in the society, so that we just materialist and unmaterialistic things, so that we just explain, we just show ourselves as a special manner. But in the right, in the excellency, the right happiness, prosperity in the continuous, the basic goal of human life. And if I am different from the other, in what sense? In the right, happiness and prosperity. What is the goal of life? What is the goal of my life? In the case of, if I want to become special, accumulation of physical facilities and maximization of sensation. So you must explore yourself. You have maintained the harmony with yourself, with your family, with your society, and with the nature. Or you just focus on the accumulation of physical facilities and maximization of sensation. So you just explore at that time. You people are facing the problem of accumulation of physical facility. But if we find out that we all are busy in the accumulation of materialistic things, this thing is factor of the disharmony in my life. Responsibility in the excellency, responsibility to understand harmony, to live in harmony at different four level of being. And in the special case, you just ask this question with yourself: what is the responsibility of my life? If you want to become, if you want happiness in your family, you must be observe, you must be write down the responsibility of your life at that time. And if we people are talk about the excellency, then self-development and development of other. First, you must be develop yourself, then you must be develop the other people. It's related with the excellency. But in the special case, what is self-development? What type of initiative and what type of steps you just taken in your life for your self-development? If you just right now, you just ask two questions with yourself: what is the responsibility, and what type of initiative you just taken your life for your self-development? Because if we people have some excellence, that means these people maintain the harmony at different four level, and the person have self-developed, and the person is busy in the development of the other people. But if people have a feeling of speciality, that means you must explain, you must ask this question with yourself: it is what is the responsibility, and what is the priorities of my life. Suppose after completion the 12th, if a student have the priority of a student is to take the admission in IITs and NITs. It's a priority of his life. But after taking the admission, after admission, the priority is changed time to time. It may be you have some priorities, but after some time, or we can say that in the future, your priority change according to the time, according to the situation. And it's a totally exploration process. Sometime right now, my parents is my responsibility. It may be in future, my husband, my children, it's my responsibility. And it may be for future, and in the future, the marriage of a student, the study of a student, and the other things, home, car is my priorities of my life. The most important thing is that you must be explore yourself. Okay, right now, what is the responsibility? And I just suggest a most important, suggest a point. You just write down your priorities and write down the responsibility of your life and what type of initiative you just taken for the self development. Maybe every human being have some different goals, different objectives, but development is a continuous process. It's a long term process, and this process is continuous till the death. So you must be explore, you must be find these things. Okay, what is the responsibility of my life that time, and what is the priorities of my life, and what type of steps and what type of initiative I just taken for the self development. Now we just shifted for the next slide. It's a glory and gratitude. Glory, we just have in the Indian history, there are so many peoples have a very glorious characteristics in the Indian history. But we must know the real meaning of the glory. Glory, glory, what glory? Feeling for those who have made or are making effort for the excellence. Means if we people think about that, first you just develop yourself and then you just develop the other people. Means first you maintain the excellency in your life, then you just uplift other people's. It's related with the glory. And what is the real sense of glory? For all those people who have called great people, we accept them as a greater people because they invested themselves to achieve the excellence. Means if you want glory in your life, means you must be invested themselves to achieve excellence. Then when we can accept the effort made by them to whatever extent they are able to achieve it, we are naturally have feeling of glory for them. Definitely, there are so many peoples in our Indian history. We have automatically a feeling of glory. We want to have this feeling for our family, elders, and teachers too. We have a natural expectation from them that they would have make sincere efforts for right understanding and right living. The basic, and I just definitely share with you the basic root of happiness or happiness in your life is right understanding. Right understanding, you just maintain the balance in between the relationship and the materialistic things. Then if the people are talk about the gratitude, gratitude is the feeling of acceptance for those who have made efforts for my excellence. Means first you develop yourself, then you just develop the other people. If you develop the other people, definitely other people you have some gratitude. It is a feeling for those who have the help you in any way in other efforts to achieve the excellency in our life. If we people think about that, there is so many people who have to have help to us in the process of understanding harmony and living in harmony. Means that means we have a feeling of gratitude. Those help me to find the right understanding and the way of in the path of the happiness in my life. Then we just, you may be remembering your parents and elder. They have cared for you and arranged to send you to school, college, provide the necessary physical facility and help you to utilize it in your efforts for excellence. We can also see what the others has done in terms of the fulfilling the need of the self to help us in developing right understanding and right feeling. So first you should explain, you just explore yourself. Right now I have ensured the feeling of right understanding or right feelings. You must be ensure, you must be explore. Then for that our feeling of gratitude continues for very long term. If I am having the feeling of right understanding, if I am having the feeling of right things, that means definitely my gratitude, my feeling of gratitude is continuous for long time. You must be remembering the guidance received from your mother, from your parents, from your father, from your teacher. There are so many relations in your life. You just have the feeling of gratitude. Like that, there may be so many people outside from the family too, who are involved in the process of your development. You may have the feeling of gratitude for them also, but you must be explored that you have the feeling of gratitude or not. If you think that the terms of the continuity of feeling of gratitude, it has to be more with the efforts made by the others of for your understanding and the feeling. Feeling gratitude is a significant feeling in the development of the relationship. If I have the gratitude and if I have the feeling of gratitude, definitely I just maintain a very harmonious and very good relationship with the person. It may be with your parents, it may be with your teachers, it may be with your friend, it may be with your other someone. And when the child can see the parents and then the other relatives in the family are taking care of his health and they are taking care of his happiness, they are helping him to process of education. That means with the all this feeling is the gratitude. It extended to people outside of the family also, and immediately it may be your neighbor, it may be community, society, nation, ultimately the whole world as a family. If we people talk about the feeling of gratitude in the Indian context, we just says that Vasundhara Kutumbakam, पूरी सृष्टि पूरा पृथ्वी जो है मेरी एक वसुंधरा यानी मेरे कुटुंब के जैसी है, परिवार के जैसी है। अगर ये फीलिंग लेके मैं चलती हूँ तो इस केस में जो है एक ग्रेटिट्यूड की फीलिंग जो है ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे अंदर आ जाती है। बट इफ आई फील दैट द पीपल आर डिफरेंट, आई एम डिफरेंट एंड द पीपल आर totally different from me and we are not complementary with each other, that means you definitely lost the feeling of gratitude. Now we feel when our parents and family elder have the right understanding, right feeling, the family has a conducive environment for the development of the child. It is the model of the living in the relationship. Child will accept the relationship naturally. When the feeling of already living in the relationship, then the feeling of the gratitude in the child entry point for the appreciation of the relationship, followed by the understanding of the relationship. And then, if we are trying to understand the relationship affairs, then we have the start for developing clarity about the trust. Means these all feelings are interrelated, interconnected with the each other. If you have the feeling of gratitude, definitely you just develop the clarity about the trust. And the trust is the foundational value, the basic for the relationship. Trust is mandatory. Without the trust, you cannot be maintain a harmonious relationship, and you cannot be maintain relationship one self to other self. That is the another reason that the trust has been called as a foundational value. Now, the most important thing is that if you people feel the gratitude is the significant in the development of the relationship, then if we people are talk about the basic a harmony in the relationship, we must have the feeling, all feelings in the relationship: trust, respect, affection, care, guidance, reverence, glory, gratitude, and love. In nine feelings, trust is the foundational value and love is the complete value. You must explore yourself with your husband, with your parents, with your colleagues, with your employer, with your children's. You have trust or not. If you find the feeling of trust, definitely you have the wonderful relationship in your life. Now, we just going to explain most important feeling in our life is love. Love is the complete value. Trust, whenever trust is the foundational value and love is the complete value. If we people are talk about the love, means definitely there is love, the feeling of being related to all, complete well. मीन्स हर किसी को संबंधी के रूप में स्वीकारने का जो भाव है, इसी भाव को मैं लव या प्रेम कहती हूँ. It all started to with identify that is related to the other human being as a affection. And if the people verify that, verify on the basis of your natural acceptance. If you want to relate it to none is one and many more, it may be, and it may be possible if we just say that love is the feeling of being related with the everyone, to all. It started from affection. If you people are affectionated with someone, with your parents, husband, children, with your organization also, if you are affectionated with your organization also, that means you feel the feeling of love, which we have already explored. If this feeling is expanded and includes all, it is the feeling of love. We being with the feeling of affection, we complete it with the feeling of love. Then why it called is the complete value? Because if we just say that love is the complete value, so how can we say that love is the complete value? Because love is the feeling of being related to the all, and in the love, the feeling of love expressed in the form of kindness, in the form of kindness, in the form of beneficence, and in the form of compassion. If we people talk about the kindness, kindness is to provide a resource that the other need, but which he does not have the competency. And beneficence, we just provide something that the other requires, but has not felt the need for it. If we people are talk about the compassion, compassion is related with the means that one willing to extend helps to other unconditionally. Right now, we people have some conditions in the relationship, but if you people talk about the love, there is no condition, unconditional means whether others has felt need or not, has the resources or not, without any condition put him or her, one is the willing to help the other and do whatever is required in the other to fulfill the relationship is unconditional manner. That is meaning of the compassion. That means so that the feeling of their, what the expression of the feeling will take place as and when you come to the contract with the other persons. Ultimately, we all have, we all want to reach in this state. To have the feeling of love, to have the feeling related with the every human being and every unit in the nature. That is complete value. There is two part of the society, those who are in my family and those who are out of the out of my family. But if I have the feeling of love, I just maintain that I just have same feeling with those who are my family and those who are not in my family. I have a feeling of equality. But in present scenario, we can say that the love, just feeling of love of course is not something which is based on the sensation. It's based on the understanding oneself, understanding the others, understanding the whole nature, and ultimately understanding the whole existence. You must explore yourself right now. The feeling of love is not related with the sensation. It's related with the, it's based on the right understanding. Understanding on yourself, understanding with the others, understanding the whole nature, ultimately understanding the whole existence. If I find out that okay, I just have understanding at different level, that means I'm just assured in myself that I have the feeling of love. Right now, in that time, in the present time, the youth, uh, youth just casually use this word, I'm in love and fell in love, but the meaning of love is totally different. The love as a feeling of being related to the all, which is based on the understanding. If if you have the understanding with other people, that means you have the feeling of love, and not with the someone, and with the whole existence also. We can see that the love is the complete value, and that is where all want to reach. Even if we may not be able to ensure the fulfillment of the relationship with even one, our aspiration is to relate it to all the ensure fulfillment in the relationship for all. You just ask this a question with yourself. Okay, I want maintain harmony in my life. Everybody says yes. I we all need, we all want happiness in my life. Yes. We all, everybody need, everybody want love in our life, from your side, from parents side, from your children's side, from your friend side, from other sides. But now there is, in the present scenario, the meaning of love is related with the infatuation. If we people are the feeling of the infatuation, we people are, when we are talking about the feeling of love, of course, this is not something which is based on the sensation. If you are talking about the some feeling on the basis of sensation, this is case of infatuation. In this case, the sensual pleasure that is the valuable for you. This is the center issue for you. Infatuation is the conditional, but love is unconditional. It may last only as long as you able to get the sensation. Infatuation are the very temporary. It's a very temporary. It does not last for long. But love is the continuous. And then the long-term issue is the feeling become the prominent. If the basic of our relationship is how one looks, beauty, sensation, and other feelings of the relationship, self to self is missing sooner or later. This is where we may end up. You just explore yourself. It's a totally proposal. You just explore, you just verify, you just uh, identify these things in your life. Your relation is related with the beauty, sensation, feeling of relationship, all these things, or other things, or understanding. If you find out that your relation is based on the understanding, definitely you just maintain a feeling of love in your life, but it's related with the other things. It's related with the other beauty or other things, sensation. That means it's not related with the love. And most important thing is that the right feeling. What is the actual meaning of the right feeling? Within myself or with the others. With this background, we can say ourselves, we can have continuity, right feeling in myself, getting right feeling from the others. Most important thing is that in the present scenario, we just face the problem of the reaction and response. What is reaction? What is response? First, you just decide how to behave based on the behavior of others. It's a reaction. And what is response? You decide how to behave on your own right. It's a response. Means don't react. If somebody uh, if somebody disturb your harmony, disturb your internal peace, mental peace, you just give the response, not react. Because if we people, if we people are talking about the reaction, it depends on the whether you like or dislike the other behavior of others. But in the response, it is the based on the right understanding, right feeling in yourself, which are definite. Your behavior is always for mutual happiness. If you give the response, definitely you just maintain the mutual happiness in your life. But if you react, definitely you just disturb, you just face the problem of disharmony in your life. If the people are decided, if the people talk about the response, you decide your own behavior. You are self-organized. But in the reaction, your behavior is decided by the others. You just explore this thing. This session is related with the complete harmony in your family. So you just find out, you just explore yourself. You just react or you just respond. If you people give the response, definitely you just maintain the mutual happiness and mutual uh, harmony in your life. But you react, you never maintain the harmony in your life. So you just explore yourself. Your conduct is indefinite in the case of reaction, but in the case of response, your conduct is definite. Do you just identify your conduct is definite or your conduct is indefinite? And what you want? You want definite conduct or you want indefinite conduct? If you want indefinite conduct, means you react. If you face, if you feel I have the definite conduct, means you just respond. So this is the most important thing. Key in relationship, what is, you just check, you just explore yourself. What is the priority of my life? Means right understanding and right feeling. Need of self. Physical facility, need of body. Means if you want make happy in your life, you must maintain right understanding in your and right feeling. And if you maintain physical facility, it's a requirement of the body. It's also required for happiness and for right understanding, but you must be prioritize yourself. And what is the role of physical facility in the fulfillment of right feeling? You just explore. Hello. Yes, I hope the time is completed. So I guess sum up the all feelings.
Ma'am, if you want to continue, you can continue because we have time.
Okay, sir. Yes. Yes. You must be
Please
explored.
make it in landscape.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. You first you just check yourself in the relationship. What is the priority of your life, and you just what is the right understanding and the feeling your life. And most important thing is that there is two types of values. We just first is established value and second one is expressed value. Trust, respect, affection, care, guidance, reverence, glory, gratitude, and love. These are the established value and these are the expressive value. Then, most important thing is that in the family, we just maintain the relationship in between the I and I. And for the relationship, we must have some feeling. If we don't have feeling, there is no relationship. If we feel, we all are human beings and we won't maintain the relationship with other human beings, the basic requirement for relationship is justice. Means relationship is it's already exists. We need we just need to realize it between oneself and the other self. The base of relationship is feeling, is oneself and the other self. These feelings are definite. These 9 feelings are definite. You must be explore yourself at your level. Justice is the relationship is understanding relationship, acceptance of relationship, having the right feeling, expressing these feelings, right evaluation of these feelings, and leading to the mutual happiness. If you want happiness, if you want relationship, you must be maintain the justice in your life. If you maintain justice in your life with the human to human, first you maintain the justice in human to human, then family to the world family, and the reflection of these things is create undivided society. इसको कहते हैं अखंड समाज. The basic the basic goal of human being,
the basic object of human life. We all want to maintain the undivided society, अखंड समाज, वसुंधरा कुटुंबकम, पूरी वसुंधरा, पूरी पृथ्वी मेरे परिवार के जैसे। अगर आप ये फीलिंग के साथ, इस माइंडसेट के साथ, इस चीज के साथ अगर आगे बढ़ेंगे तो कभी भी आपको किसी भी तरह की परेशानी या किसी के साथ में डिसहार्मनी वाली फीलिंग नहीं होगी, और यू जस्ट मेंटेन ए म्यूचुअल हैप्पीनेस इन योर लाइफ। तो यू जस्ट मेंटेन the trust, respect, affection, care, guidance, reverence, glory, gratitude, and love. In these 9 feelings, trust is the foundational value and love is the complete value. So you just explain yourself, you just explore yourself. If you feel, if you think that I am in the relationship with such and such person, with a so and so person, you have trust or not trust. If you feel the problem of lack of trust, so that means there is problem in the relationship, there is problem in the mutual happiness. And love is the complete value, the feeling of being related to the all. Next, the basic role of education to ensure the right understanding to live with justice in every relationship, fulfill all the value in relationship, justice human to human, and from family to world family. After that, we just fulfill the dream of undivided society. Present time, the present scenario, we people are facing the problem of the geopolitics. Now, the situation of the all countries, all states, all things are divided. All societies are divided, and division are not valuable, and division are not good for any society. It's the most important thing. You just maintain undivided society. And most important thing is that right understanding. If we people are talk about we people are the educationalists, we people are talk about the education, because I hope so the all participants is from the background of the education, and this is the most important thing is that the right understanding in the self, right understanding, harmony in individual, family, society, and natural existence. Then justice in relationship with human being, from family to world family, participation in the larger order with nature, from the family other to world family order. Mutual happiness, fulfillment of human goal, undivided society, and universal human order. The all things you just, it's a human tradition, you just maintain human conduct, human education, universal human order, and human constitution. If you maintain the human tradition, definitely we just definitely achieve the dream of undivided society. It's a basic few points. If you want explore yourself, reflect on your assumptions about the each 9 feelings, study the proposal.
Thank you, Priyanka ma'am, for
About
such
each
wonderful
of the
session.
9 feelings. Are you
Participants,
making efforts
if you
to
have
get the
liked
feelings
our
from the
today's
others,
session, then
or
please
ensure the feelings
like
in
the video
the
on the YouTube channel
yourself?
and subscribe our channel, and
So
also hit the
I hope
bell
so.
icon
You
so
must
that
see
you
what
can
is the
get
role of
quick
physical
updates
facility in
for
the
our
mutual
future
fulfillment
videos.
of the
If you have any
relationship.
question regarding the
Are you
session,
working for
or if you have
excellence
any query, you can
special
contact us
optimization?
at
You just
ietc
ask all these questions with
iet.hit.org,
yourself,
and also
and
you can visit
then
us at
if you feel satisfied, you feel the
www.hiet.org.
harmony in your
Thank
life,
you all for being here.
definitely
Have a
you
nice
just
day.
maintain the happiness, and you just maintain the mutual happiness in your life. Thanks a lot.